you cool cats and kittens. This video is going to be about text features.
Text features. How do we use them to help us read and comprehend informational text? They're like road signs. They're going to navigate us through the text to help us better comprehend it, tell us maybe where to stop, interesting things to look at. It's important to kind of analyze text features in articles before, during your reading, and also like after, because sometimes as you're reading, it'll say, hey, take a look at this table or something, which I didn't actually put tables on here. But important ones that you can use to kind of look at an article and figure out what it's talking about is you start with like titles and headings, right? You look at your titles, any headings, or maybe even subheadings, and you try to get an idea of what it's about. Also, pictures are a great way to get an initial thing of what this article is going to be telling you about and just gain some interest in it, because a lot of times pictures can maybe show you size comparisons, what things look like, or even maps. Within the maps, they might show you where things live, where something happened. Maps can give us a better picture of how things are happening. Captions usually will be underneath like pictures and maps, and they might explain what that picture is or just tell us maybe who took the picture, right? Another text feature you might notice is italics, bold, or different types of font uses, whether it's a change in color, underlining, highlighting, and those can help us understand what are important words. And sometimes in footnotes on the bottom of the page, they might tell us like definitions of words, or again, it might be similar to a caption where it tells us maybe where that resource or information came from. These are just some sample types of text features as you explore nonfiction text. Try to see which ones you see. Some of them have a bunch, some of them don't have as many. Some of them have things like tables, graphs, and charts that I didn't even mention on here. And there's probably even more depending on how you specifically define or explain them. So the last thing I'm going to leave you with is that to help you comprehend nonfiction text with text features is to do text feature walks. Right before you start reading, just kind of glance over, see, when you say, hey, how many pages do I have to read, right? Or how long is this? Go through and look, oh, there's some pictures here. What do these pictures tell me? Oh, here are some headings. What do the headings say, right? Read or look at the text features to explore them and figure out what the text is talking about before you read, and then also use them during and after you're reading as well to help you better comprehend a text.